No surprises. This is going to be an easy fix. Comment below how many hours you guys think of total labor it's going to take to fix this car. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on another project. It's something new, and it's also something that doesn't need a whole lot of work. Just a good example of a car that you could get on the auction that doesn't have a whole lot of damage and that won't take much to get it fixed. So let's go check it out and see what it is. So we got a 2014 Subaru Legacy. The damages, I mean, they're not bad at all. There is zero frame damage on this car. It has a little bit of apron damage here that is fixable and needs a core support. Obviously needs radiators, needs a headlight. The bumper's destroyed, needs a grill. This headlight is in pretty good shape, just has one busted little tab, but we're gonna fix that. And yeah, it needs a hood, fender, bumper. Not bad at all. But let's tear into it and see what other damages we can find.
Here you go. Is it fixable? You think you could slap some Bondo?
I'm sure somebody could fix it, but we're not fixing it. So
all right,
let's tear it apart and see what other damages there are.
Got a helper there.
So to take a Subaru apart, all you need is a 10mm and a 12mm socket, a screwdriver, and some pliers, and you can pretty much tear this whole car apart. So we're taking the fans out right now. Looks like one is damaged for sure. The other one I think is salvageable.
Oh, you could JB weld it.
Let's see. Just like that? All the pieces are here?
There you go.
Let's see what we got.
Oh, supposed to spin more.
No, it's actually not bad. Usually when it's bent, it's like this. We'll see. I think I think I have a fan for
Spin
it.
it again.
But it's
Yeah.
not.
It's not too bad.
It's not bad. You can actually just replace the shrouds, but for this one, I think I have a fan for it. So we're just gonna replace it with a whole new assembly. Let's see.
Look, what were we here for? Like 30 minutes. Half of the car's already taken apart.
Not even yet.
It's so quick.
Yep, the condenser's full. Even though it's damaged, got a big old gouge in it.
Still holding.
But it's still holding, so we're gonna have to suck it out, and when we go to put the new one in, yeah, we'll just get a new one.
You could almost reuse it, but
It sucks. That it's
like in perfect
barely
condition.
damaged, yeah, just that. But we'll see. We'll look it over. It's pretty tweaked. Probably just be easier to just get a new one and replace it. So it obviously needs a radiator, needs a condenser. Then we got little sensors here. So it'll need this sensor. I think it's like an oil sensor for something. And then this sensor's busted up here. Got a crack in it. So we'll have to order this sensor, get this ordered up. And yeah, everything else behind here looks good. No surprises.
yeah. How many miles does this thing have? I don't think you said.
It's got 45,000 miles, so it's pretty low. For 2014 car with 45,000 miles, would
Seems pretty average.
pretty good.
Maybe a little more than average, but
No, less than average.
less than average.
Because I think
12,000,
I don't
10,000 or 12,000 is average.
a year. Yeah, I'm not sure what they do, but yeah. So no surprises. This is gonna be an easy fix. I'm gonna keep tearing it apart, get the radiators out, power steering bottle got a crack in it, so we'll have to get a new one of those. Alright guys, so we got a piece of the core support off, and I did lie, there is frame damage. So I don't know, like,
We're gonna have to.
we're probably gonna have to put it on a frame machine.
Yeah, and maybe even cut off the rail.
Yeah, probably. No, just joking guys. It's gonna be super easy. You just take a hammer, dolly, knock that out. And this is a bracket for the headlight. We'll straighten that out, or the headlight bracket. With this off, all we gotta do is just get a new core support on it and straighten this out. And we should be back into business real soon. So we'll need a core support assembly. We'll need this. It's for the lower. Goes right here. These are headlight brackets. We have the left one. We're gonna need the right one. We're gonna need a hose. The hose is all messed up. We got a bag of bolts from the insurance company. This piece of plastic is good. This goes up here on the core support like that. Air box. A piece of it is busted, so this part is no good. This part seems fine. It's got the sensor. Yeah, that sucker's like brand new. And then this is the bottom of the jug that goes on here. It's in good shape, so yeah, we'll just have to, I'll probably just order up a brand new one of these. They're pretty cheap. We got all the parts, well, all the damaged parts. So reinforcement's good. We're gonna need one fan. Radiator reservoir is good. The other fan is good. We got the fender liner.
Which is still.
Yep, fender liner's good too. Surprised it didn't get damaged. Yeah, fender liner's good. So we'll need a fender. We'll need all those other miscellaneous parts. Yeah, the only thing that's missing is this rocker panel. When they took it off, they forgot to put it in the car, or I don't know what happened, but it's all right. So the bumper is toast, but we got, let's see right here. Oh, we got a wasp. These both are good on both sides, so we don't have to buy those. This little tow hook cover is good. Don't have to buy that. So we'll just buy a bumper. We're gonna need a grill. Comes without an emblem, so the emblem is in good shape. That's good. We'll just put that on the new bumper. The fender's damaged. We're gonna have to buy this bracket right here that holds the bumper to the fender. This is that other headlight for the left side. We're gonna need one for the right side. Yeah, Toby. Overall, this car is in good shape. It's got little minor scratches here and there, and interior definitely needs a wash. This car should be up and running in no time. What I like about this build is the airbags are good. So good airbags, seatbelt's not blown. Yeah, the oil just got changed in it too. It's got a sticker on the window. I like these kind of fixes. These are super easy, straightforward, no surprises. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna order up all the parts that we're gonna need for this car, get this fixed. We're actually gonna keep track of all the hours that we have into this car and get you guys like an exact amount of time, how much it's gonna take us to fix this car from start to finish. And I'm guessing it's gonna be a pretty easy one. Comment below how many hours you guys think of total labor it's gonna take to fix this car. And we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.